The Bank of Japan's rates sit near zero, so the yen has nowhere to hide when US yields spike. Tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the US CPI print could be this week's biggest volatility event for every major pair. By the end of this video, you'll know the one currency most exposed to this print and how traders think about playing it. The dollar sits on one side of nearly every major pair, so a surprise never stays contained. A hot print raises the odds the Fed holds rates higher for longer, and Treasury yields climb within seconds. Higher yields make dollar assets more attractive, pulling capital away from euro, sterling, and yen. Euro to USD and GBP to USD tend to fall on a hot print, as the ECB and BOE look comparatively less appealing. USD to JPY usually rises the sharpest, because the yen is the most rate-sensitive major currency out there. AUD to USD and NZD to USD tend to underperform too, as risk appetite fades and their yield cushion disappears. A cool print flips everything. Dollar weakness broadens, and USD to JPY often falls hardest of all the majors. Here's the twist. The headline number matters less than the gap versus what traders already priced in. A miss of just 1 or 0.2% can trigger outsized moves in Fed rate cut odds. Stick around, because the pair everyone's watching for tomorrow is still coming up. On a hot surprise, dollar bulls and short EUR to USD or GBP to USD positions profit directly. On a cool surprise, gold, AUD, NZD, and long URL to USD or GBP to USD positions tend to gain instead. Spreads widen dramatically in the seconds around the release, which alone can trigger stop losses early. If the market was already heavily positioned, the real move can undershoot or reverse entirely. A classic sell the news pattern. The reveal is close. One currency carries the most weight in tomorrow's outcome. USD to JPY is the pair most exposed, because near zero BOJ rates leave the yen with no cushion against a US yield spike. Traders watch core CPI over headline and size positions small, since spreads and reversals can punish overconfidence fast. Read the full analysis on edge-forex.com. Link is in the description.